Hello, Tech Ed here again. I'm taking apart some Relox electrical cabling that I found in a box with some of the flexible conduit had been pulled, all the wires had pulled out. Found several of these conduit end caps all snipped. Several of them had about an inch or two of extra line here. Snipped that off. First thing I noticed was actually there was two kinds. There were these kinds. And then there were these kind. They both had, bright wire, heavy gauge, nice, but riveted. And both sides, bottom and top, steel. So that is going to be some fun getting into. However, these had the conduit off the bottom and the end as well. Had, again, several inches, clip that off. Steel, top steel, with screws, but you pop that off, throw it in your steel pile. It's cast aluminum. So, just get your nice screwdriver out, or drill, because screwdrivers take forever. Just pops right open. Steel pile. That. Now, this is dirty because it has this little steel in here. So, get yourself a chisel, screwdriver, just bang, bang in there. Anyway, it's got the little barred tab things right there and right there, but I'm getting there. Probably some easier way. I got about 10 of these that I've already taken apart, and I said, hey, I should make a video because who knows, other people might have these. I have learned so much from Mike the Scrapper, from Kenny, Bigger Hammer. I don't know if a bigger hammer would work here. I guess I could pound it with a really big hammer and break the cast aluminum and pull that little piece out. And that might be fun the first 2 or 3 times, but I got close to a dozen of these, and I'm sure my arm would give out before then. So, anyway, figure out some way to pop that out. Anyway, pop the steel out, toss it in your steel pile, nice cast aluminum. On these, again, you got 2 inches of nice heavy gauge, pure bright wire. I mean, that right there, boom, you're done. Here, strip it, strip it, strip it. Whoops, I find the easiest thing to do, just untwist them, get in there. Just sometimes a little plastic breaks, other times it just pops right out. Not sure if that's brass or non-magnetic stainless steel. Anyway, clip it off there, or if you want to, get in there and dig it out. Either way, boom, you're done. Get the next one. I got these, just said I was walking along and I found a box by the dumpster of a dozen of these, dozen of the other ones, and maybe 10-15 feet of the flexible steel cabling in pieces, 2 foot, 3 foot. The wire had been pulled all out of that. I guess somebody was going through rewiring their building. It was near an apartment complex. A plastic toss in your recycling. So I just grabbed the box, threw it in there, and Now here again, you got rivets. I'm thinking probably the easiest way is to get an angle grinder and just bam, 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 bam. Certainly you guys don't want to hear that, but I'll post the results if that works. So again, these conduits, they're cast aluminum, some steel, probably, half an ounce, copper per, nice, heavy, bright wire. Wham bam, thank you ma'am. Takes a couple minutes to unscrew, you're done. Once I figure out these, I'm sure it'll be a lot faster method. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe. I'm going to try to do more scrapping that isn't necessarily out there. Like, everyone sees a TV, everyone sees this, everyone sees that. And everyone's going to find unique things. I'm going to try to do that. I have several other items I've already found that I want to take apart and share with you all. Also, I'll be doing other technical education videos on different topics. So welcome and enjoy and have a great day. Okay, so anyway, as you separate the two, you're going to have the dirty cast. You got your nice cast and your steel. So all you need to do is take it, get a screwdriver, chisel, kind of put it in there a little bit, get a nice couple good smacks on each side. See, and that starts to loosen it up in there a little bit. What you have to worry about is these. So when you get in there to bend it, then you can put pressure on that little clip and that little clip. See, couple good bangs, pops at that side. Look, it's already out there. Over here. Voila! Clean cast and steel. Rinse and repeat as necessary. Once you get the hang of it, it's very simple just to pop these out. Again, I've done the last 10 or so in about 5 minutes. So just a couple wax on both sides to get in there to again to get that little tab out, which is a pain sometimes. Some of them it pops right in and you hit it just right and it lets you go right through it. And other times, see there, through it, done. This side. See, that side is coming right out. This side, still being a little toot. Oh, done. Nice clean cast. Let's see if the last one is going to cooperate and be nice. Yep. See, wham bam, thank you, man.